President Emerson Mnangagwa on Friday played golf and shared laughs with his embattled ally and corruption-linked businessman Tagwirei in public show of solidarity that starkly underlined deepening division with the ZANU-PF. Sarabina mashoko buda pangwa ino Tagwirei achinyatso outshine Mutsvangwa amene pangwa ino Mutsvangwa ari kufungei after achiona mtungamiriri wenyika yeZimbabwe achitamba golf. Aiwa Tagwirei ino kuti subscribe like utombe bell icon. Kungava kuratidza masimba but pina panapa muna umodzi. The optics were striking as the party reels from an increasingly bitter feud between Tagwirei and ZANU-PF spokesperson Mutsvangwa. Mnangagwa appeared unfazed, celebrating camaraderie with Tagwirei on the golf course rather than addressing the chaos tearing through his inner circle. Even state-owned The Herald could not ignore the moment, reporting President Mnangagwa is joined in the putting challenge by Dr. Tagwirei. Dr. Tagwirei starts with flawless shots for Team ED. Mnangagwa's public bonding with Tagwirei comes amid fierce internal resistance from Mutsvangwa and others to block the businessman's elevation to the powerful ZANU-PF Central Committee. The ongoing clash has laid bare the president's tendency to foster factionalism through silence and selective favoritism rather than playing the unifying role expected of a national leader. This is a classic Mnangagwa. A political analyst noted he lets his lieutenant destroy each other while he pretends to stay above the fray, but the cost is growing disunity and instability. The fallout intensified last week when Mutsvangwa launched a scathing public attack on Tagwirei, accusing him of trying to buy political influence through extravagant donations and backdoor dealings. Leadership is not for sale, Mutsvangwa thundered at a press conference, touting his liberation war credentials and long service. Mnangagwa's calculated silence and a clear preference for Tagwirei have further fractured party unity, with the insiders warning that his leadership style, marked by patronage, silence in the face of internal turmoil, and strategic aloofness, could backfire as the post-Mnangagwa future begins to take shape. Each day, he refuses to intervene. He reviews himself not as a unifier, but as a divisive figure thriving on the chaos. The analyst added, the party's sender is no longer holding Tomashwa aripo pangwa ine. Tudze mafunguro enyu muri kudipa pamusoro pemaposta ari kuitika mu the ruling party. Pinda comment section medu za mafunguro enyu. So subscribe or like chitomba bell icon.